In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create variant metafields in Shopify. Variant metafields let you store extra bits of information for each individual product variant. Think of them as custom fields you can later show in your theme, sync to apps, or use internally to keep details tidy. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the main dashboard, head to Settings at the bottom left of the screen. This is where Shopify keeps all of the configuration that affects your entire store. Inside Settings, open the area labeled Metafields and Meta Objects. In some admin versions, you may see this under Custom Data. Both take you to the same place where you define and organize custom fields. Choose Variants. This is important because we want the field to live on each variant, not on the product as a whole. You'll now see any existing variant metafields and the option to create a new one. Click Add Definition to create a fresh metafield. Give it a clear name by typing highlight. Shopify will automatically generate the technical key based on this, so keeping it short and readable helps later when you or your developer reference it. Next, select the content type. Click Select Type, then choose Single Line Text. This is perfect for a short bit of copy such as a quick highlight, a badge label, or a small note that differs by variant. Add clarity for teammates by clicking Add Description and type highlight. You can expand on this if you like, for example, noting where the field will appear in your theme or what style of text to use. Now, set guardrails. Click Validation to open options that control what's allowed in the field. Here you can keep entries consistent by limiting length or pattern, which helps prevent messy data. Within that panel, click into the Highlight input where prompted and type highlight. This confirms the format you expect and makes the intention of the field obvious when someone is editing a variant later. Open Options to review any additional settings. Depending on your needs, you can keep the default behavior or enable advanced choices that match how your store and theme handle custom data. When everything looks good, click Save. Your new variant metafield definition is created and ready